warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting of peace, mercy, and blessing. Welcome to my science learning adventure. Today is another fun and exciting learning with me. Learners, please ready your PPS, your pen, your paper, your self-learning module. Learning is continuous. Learning never stops. That's why learning is life. This is your teacher in science, Sittie Haya Marohom from Pikong National High School, your guide to experience and explore the world of science.
A scientific morning, my dear scientists. Are you ready for our lesson today? So if you are ready, we will tackle about the cell cycle. Probably, we will discuss the two types of cell division, which are the mitosis and meiosis, their stages, and their comparison. In this topic, learners are expected to answer the following. Number 1, explain the difference between mitosis and meiosis. Number 2, describe the comparison of mitosis and meiosis. Number 3, identify the role of mitosis and meiosis in the cell cycle division. Learners, let us first discuss what is cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. Our body is composed of cells. Cell is composed of 46 chromosomes and 23 pairs of chromosomes for both males and females, a total of 92 chromatids. When cells become damaged or die, the body makes new cells to replace them. This process is called cell division. So how many cells are in the human body? An average person is estimated to contain roughly 30 trillion human cells according to recent research. All the cells work together to keep the human body survive. What is mitosis? Mitosis is a form of cell division where the cell splits into two. It's identical to the original cell. It was discovered by Walter Fleming in 1882. Examples of mitosis are skin cells, stomach cells, and mixed all-body cells. So lahat ng cells sa ating katawan ay tinatawag na mitosis. What is meiosis? Meiosis is a type of cell division that results in 4 cells, each having 1/2 chromosomes of the original cells. It was discovered by biologist Oscar Hertwig in 1876. Example of meiosis are sperm cells, egg cells, and all gametes. Learners, let's proceed to figure out what is the same about mitosis and meiosis, what are their differences, and Learners, assume that the right side is talk about mitosis, while the left side is all about meiosis. Mitosis is having a 46 chromosomes, while the meiosis is having a 23 chromosomes. The function. The function of mitosis in our body are for general growth, for repair, and for cell reproduction, while in meiosis is genetic diversity through sexual reproduction. The occurrence. The occurrence in mitosis are all the cells in the body. Lahat ng cells sa katawan natin ay tinatawag na mitosis, while in meiosis is reproductive cell. Mode of reproduction. The mode of reproduction in mitosis is asexual reproduction. Walang sexual na involved. Karoon tayo ng cells sa mitosis through in foods and etc. While meiosis, there is a sexual involved. Tinatawag itong sexual reproduction. Both mitosis and meiosis are having the same stages, which are the acronym PMAT. P for prophase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase, and T for telophase. While the meiosis have twice PMAT, which are prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. For the first stage, which is prophase, from the word pro, meaning before. So before the others. In mitosis, the cells are visible. They are condensing, which means they are thickening. While in the meiosis, the chromosomes begin to match up. That we called homologous pair. Crossing over occurs to identify the genetic information. For the second stage, which is the metaphase. Learners, I would like you to remember that M is for middle, because in this stage, the cells line up in the middle. This stage also the nuclear membrane envelope already broken down in the previous stage. In mitosis, the cells line up in the middle. And meiosis, the cells line up in the middle also, but not a single cell, it's a pair cells. For the third stage, which is the anaphase. Learners, I would like you to remember that A for away. In mitosis, the chromatids fold away, they are moving of the opposite side of the cells. While in meiosis, the same thing but not the chromatids fold away but the chromosomes. For the fourth stage, which is the telophase. Telophase, the chromosome actually completely opposite ends in new nuclear forming its sides to make new cells, and they are starting forming around the chromosome. Cytokinesis is followed too. In this stage, the cytoplasm split to dividing the cells. At the end of cytokinesis in mitosis, it ends up two identical and two diploid cells. Diploid means two sets of chromosomes, one from each parent. By the way, learners, when sperm cells and egg cells combine, it results to diploid. Diploid means fertilized egg. It's called zygote. At the end of cytokinesis in meiosis, it ends up of four non-identical and four gametes. This forming from sperm cells from father and egg cells from mother. This gametes is called haploid. Haploid meaning half of 23 chromosomes from father and 23 chromosomes from mother. Learners, we will have an evaluation. This is summative assessment. So answer the following question. Number 1, give the two types of cell division. Correct. The two types of cell division are mitosis and meiosis. For number 2, how many stages in both mitosis and meiosis? Correct. There are 4 stages, which are the prophase, the metaphase, the anaphase, and the telophase. For number 3, give the function of mitosis in our body. Correct. The function of mitosis in our body are for general growth, for repair, and for cell reproduction. For number 4, how many chromosomes each human cells? Correct. 46 chromosomes. Learners from grade 9, thank you for listening in our topic today. I hope you learned from me. See you in our next lesson. Goodbye!